So we went to see John Wadham at the regional offices in Los Angeles, and Mr. Wadham said, now we would like to build a store on your property, and we'd like to have you look at what we've done in Buena Park, and that's what we'd like to do with you. Well, I don't know what got into me, but I just decided to be a little bit independent. And I said, Mr. Wadham, in developing a center with you, if we couldn't do better than that, then I don't think we'd want to build a center. And that was a pretty bold thing to tell the only prospect that you had, that you wanted to do something better than Sears had been doing before, right along. But it worked, and they did build the largest store west of Chicago. The regional vice president at that time was named Arthur Wood, and as a result of the success of that store and others in the California area, he ultimately became chairman of the board of Sears in Chicago. The first manager of our May Company, which opened in 1966, likewise became chairman of the board and chief executive officer of May Company. It was interesting then in 1972 when we opened a Bullock store. Terry Lundgren was the store manager at that time, and today is chairman of the board and chief executive officer of all of Federated. And I was recently with him in New York, and he said, Henry, the happiest days I've had in retailing were when I managed our store at South Coast Plaza. So South Coast Plaza was responsible for the ultimate business success of every store manager that we had in our first lineup.